In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Walmart 2026. We'll walk through two simple ways to view walmart.com in another language. First, I'll show you the built-in setting on the website to switch the interface to Spanish. Then, if you prefer a different language, I'll show you how to use your browser's translation tools to translate the page you're on. We'll do this on a computer for the clearest view, but the flow is very similar on most devices. Start by opening your browser and going to walmart.com. Make sure you're on the home page so the menus we need are visible. In the upper right corner, look for the account area. It may show an icon or say account. Click there to open the quick menu. Even if you're not signed in, this menu should still appear. Inside that menu, find the option labeled Language plus English. This is Walmart's own language selector. Click it to open the language panel. Choose Espanol from the list to switch the site interface, product details, and most navigation labels to Spanish. After selecting Espanol, click Save to apply your choice. The page will refresh and you should immediately see the site in Spanish. This is the preferred way to browse in Spanish because it's built into Walmart and typically carries across pages as you shop and check out. If you don't see changes right away, a quick page refresh helps. You can come back to the same menu anytime to switch languages again. If you want a language other than Spanish, there's another approach using your browser's translation feature. While you're on the Walmart homepage, right-click anywhere on the page background and choose Translate to. From the menu that appears, depending on your browser, the wording might look slightly different, but you're looking for the Translate option. A small translation bar will appear near the address bar. Click the Google Translate icon there to open its controls. Next, select the three dots to reveal more options and choose the item that says Choose Another Language. A drop-down list will appear. Open the drop-down, pick the language you prefer, and then click Translate. The entire page will be translated instantly. This browser method is great for one-off sessions or languages Walmart doesn't natively support. Keep in mind, browser translation is automatic, so a few phrases or images with text may not change perfectly, and you might need to repeat the translation on new tabs or pages. If you ever want to return to the original language, use the same translate controls to switch back. That's it. You now know how to switch Walmart to Spanish with the site's built-in setting, and how to translate the page into many other languages using your browser.